Tired of chasing after payments? Let's make getting paid a breeze with PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account. Once you're in, look for the Send and Request button, usually found at the top of the page. Click on it. Now, you'll see two options, Send and Request. Make sure you're on the Request tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can either enter the email address or name of the person you're requesting money from, or create a PayPal link. Let's cover both. If you know their email or name, type it in and click Next. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you're requesting and can even add a note describing what the payment is for. Alternatively, a PayPal link lets you send a simple, shareable link to anyone. If you don't already have one set up, you'll see the option to create one right here. Choose a unique username, confirm your details, and voila, you've got your personal PayPal link. Just copy and paste that link into an email, text, or social media message. When someone clicks it, they'll be taken directly to PayPal to send you money. It's that easy. And that's all there is to it. With a PayPal payment link, getting paid is faster and simpler than ever. Now go at that money.